Here in the busy border town of Hawick, Scotland, butcher Lindsay Grieve makes award-winning haggis. Now you either love haggis or you don't. But if you do, then you might as well taste the best. Lindsay, I'm Russell. Nice to meet you.
Russell. Nice
now
to meet you.
You are the champion haggis maker here in South Scotland. Yeah?
Yes. In the whole of Scotland, if you don't
In all
mind.
of Scotland, the don of haggis making. How long have you been in business making haggis?
I've been in business 10 years now, making the haggis, and we're doing very well with it.
What's the secret of a good haggis?
To me, a secret is it's consistent. We weigh everything, keep the ingredients good quality ingredients, border lamb with the lamb plucks. That's the way we do it.
Right, well I'm going to do a master class in making haggis with you. So what does it look like? Show me a...
There's one there.
Show me the here it look.
There you are.
The Stephen Redgrave of haggis. That's what we're going to make. Right, well let's get cracking.
Okay.
Lindsay, what have we got here?
Now Russell, what we've got here's what you would call lamb inside. We call it a lamb pluck, which consists of the heart, the liver,
yum yum,
and the lung.
Great.
Okay. And then we've got the lamb suet and fat, which gets mixed through and cooked for 3.5 hours.
So this is boiled for 3.5 hours.
It's boiled for 3.5 hours.
Great. Obviously that wasn't a smoker, that sheep there. Okay, so we'll take that and boil it. Well, you've had some boiling, haven't you, for 3.5 hours?
Yes.
Okay.
Had it boiling.
So this is the dry ingredients of the haggis, and we've got to put it all in the mixing bowl.
Go in the mixing bowl.
So what is this then?
That's a pinhead oatmeal.
Right.
We use 2 oatmeals, a pinhead, which is that one. Let me put it in, and a medium oatmeal, a finer one.
Right.
Some butchers use all pinhead or all medium, but I like to use a mixture.
Why is that?
It gives it a nicer texture, I think.
Right. And this?
And we use a dried onion. We use the dried onions because it makes it consistent.
This?
That's a pepper.
Sprinkle it on there, bit of pepper on your haggis.
Yeah, there you go.
This is salt.
And salt.
Bit of salt. There we go. And the secret ingredient.
The secret ingredient.
We won't talk about that then?
No.
Okay, just put it in. Don't even talk about that. There goes the secret ingredient. You have to guess what that is.
There we are. And it's just a case of mixing it all through.
And you just mix this through?
Yeah,
Can I mix it through?
Yes, just mix it through.
Oh, yes. Well, it's quite a smell here.
What happens now is we'll go and get the pot. The pluck's been cooking for 3.5 hours now, and we'll come through and we'll strain it into the oatmeal, and then we'll mix it up, and then we'll mince the meat through the mincer, and then mix the whole lot together.
I've got my sieve. Lindsay's got the pluck. What we're going to do is drain it off.
There we go.
Right.
Are you okay?
Yep. I'll take the strain.
Just see if it gets too heavy for you.
So how many haggis is this mixture going to make, Lindsay?
This should make about 100 haggis.
About 100 haggis.
But the 3/4 to the pound size.
Right.
You okay there?
Yeah, it's a good job I'm phenomenally strong, isn't it? It's a bit like, it smells a bit like steak and kidney pie at the moment.
That's not so bad then.
Oh.
Now, do you want to set it down on top of the oatmeal?
Oh, can I?
Aye. In case you're struggling there a wee bit.
No, I wasn't struggling. I just, I could have held it, you know. So you've been making haggis for over 30 years, you tell me?
Yeah, I've been in the butchering trade over 30 years now. Yes.
So how did you used to make haggis? Has it changed much over that time?
It's still the same process.
Right.
But the quantities and that have changed a lot. Because it makes a lot more now.
Right. Okay, so we push this into the grinder, is that right?
That's right, now it gets minced.
And I have to take this, where all the oatmeal is, and put it under here. Okay.
There we go. And I'll make life easy for you.
Okay, get grinding.
You want to hold it up a bit?
All right, I'll hold it up. You want to hold this up? Okay. I feel like Sweeney Todd. Right, so what happens now?
Now we have to mix all the ingredients together.
So you put on your gloves?
So I'll put some gloves on.
It's quite hot, lads,
It's
isn't
a
it?
wee bit hot just now.
So
Let's see what I go at it.
So once you've mixed it, how long does it stand before you bag it up?
Just give it a couple of minutes, and then it's ready to run out in the machine.
Right.
Bag it.
Right, the moment of truth. You've done some neeps and tatties here with
Yeah, I got a
haggis.
perler this morning, just for you.
Yeah. I'm going to taste this now. That was nice. It's really meaty. And just the right amount of spice. I love that. It's got to be fresh. So, why the neeps and tatties?
It complements the haggis, because the haggis sometimes can be a bit dry, so you got your neeps and tatties along with it.
Yeah.
It's making a nice meal. Plus a filling meal. Still a cheap meal.
Fresh haggis is the only way to eat haggis.
That's the way to do it, yeah.
You've been a real gent. Thank you, Lindsay.
Enjoyed your company. Slange.
Slange.